First, log into your Hostinger H panel. Go to the Website section and click Edit Website on the site you want to change. This opens the Hostinger Website Builder in edit mode. To edit text, simply click on any text and type your changes. Edits are saved automatically. To change images, click on the image, then select Edit Image to replace it. Crop it or update the alt text. You can also edit videos, maps, and other media by selecting the element and opening its settings. To add new elements like buttons, contact forms, or social icons, open Add Elements from the left menu and drag them onto the page. For design changes, open Website Styles to adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and animations across the entire site. To modify the layout, hover between sections and click Add Section. Then choose a ready-made layout or a blank section. Always check the mobile view using the mobile icon and adjust sections if needed. When you're done, preview your site and publish the changes. That's how you edit a website using Hostinger.